ever since I got the blow-off valve and basically the whole supercharger setup onto the FRS. A few of you guys have asked to make some type of POV driving video just to hear all the nice supercharger sounds and the blow-off noise. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. If you guys are new to the channel and don't know exactly what's going on right here, this is my 2016 Scion FRS Pandem V3 wide body kit with a Vortex supercharger installed onto the car. Pretty recently, this supercharger just got thrown on not too long ago. So I have the Vortex supercharger along with a MaxFlow Race blow-off valve. I should probably pop the hood because I'm pointing at nothing. Now, just a quick disclaimer, my engine bay is really dirty. So yeah, it's in the works to get this thing detailed and looking pretty the way it should be, but just for this video, I'll show you guys. As you can see here, it's pretty dirty inside, but we got the Vortex supercharger right here. And down here, as you can see, we have the MaxFlow Race blow-off valve. So it's a pretty simple setup. We have the Delicious Tuning Flex Fuel kit with that, along with some 700cc injectors, a fuel pump in the back, and some Tomei unequal length headers at the bottom. So that's the setup I have under the hood of the FRS. I guess just a little quick walk around. I'm not gonna go too detailed because I am planning to do some type of updated build walk around of the car, pretty much explaining everything that I have on the car and how much it was to modify the car up to this point, and also how much it was to boost the car. And yeah, just pretty much a whole video explaining how much it is to modify your car and boost your FRS. So stay tuned on that video. That video is in the works. But yeah, not too detailed, just a little quick walk around right now. Got the wide body kit, Workmeister S1s. We got a little custom door sticker for the company, some taillights, carbon fiber hood. We have a Buddy Club exhaust along with a rear bash bar painted white just to match the whole look of the car. We have a little white theme going on with the wheels, tire lettering, bash bar, and also with the little Borges Supplies sticker on the door. But yeah, that's a little quick walk around of the setup on the car. Sun's about to go down. It's pretty nice lighting right now. So before we head out, we'll go ahead and get some quick cinematics. So I forgot to mention before we head out, I am on a pretty much like a base tune right now from Delicious Tuning. It's a flash and go tune for the boosted FRS platform. So it's not really revised yet. Like I said, it's a base tune, so I'm not too sure if we're gonna be pushing it today that hard because I don't want to risk anything happening, but we'll probably get a few little pulls in. this up to 86, bro, and they don't say hi back. Damn. Now these noises right here are the #1 reason why I bought this Vortex supercharger. Out of all the supercharger kits that are out there, that blow-off noise was the selling point, honestly, for me. It just sounds so sick. It sounds literally like a jet, like an airplane. So I'm sad. They didn't have what I wanted inside the 7-Eleven, but it's all good. It was come to this 7-Eleven for this one specific ice cream sandwich, which I absolutely love, but I did find another one. It's like this M&M ice cream sandwich. It is by far my favorite. I feel like everybody has their own like go-to snack whenever they go to like a 7-Eleven or gas station for a little like afternoon night cruise with like the friends or by yourself. But yeah, leave your go-to snacks in the comment section below. Mine, like I said, is that ice cream sandwich, and I always gotta grab like a Gatorade or a water. Also didn't have the protein bar that I always get. Like they didn't have anything today, so this is what I got. I usually don't get this, but this will work for today. Real quickly, I wanted to touch up on this because a few days ago it was September 11th, and if you guys don't know, it was the day of the attacks on September 11th 2001. And I came across this comment in a YouTube video that I feel the need to share because I feel like it's very important. And this concept right here is basically like what changed my life. And it was pretty much describing how like the night before, it was just a normal night. You know, they're getting ready for bed, gonna go to work in the morning to this building. And this is the building that got attacked and many people passed away. So all these people getting ready for the next day, which would be a normal work day, but they all passed away that next morning. Just don't take every single day for granted. Don't take driving your car out for granted because you never know. Someone can probably run into you and you'll die. Don't take saying goodbye to your family or your friends for granted because you never know, maybe you won't ever be able to see one of them again. I feel like a lot of us are very quick to kind of assume and think that, you know, it'll happen again, or yeah, it's just normal, you know, I'll see you tomorrow, or I'll do it tomorrow. Really dig deep into it, and you never really think like, what if this is my last time? And it just improves the quality of your life when you act like every day is your last day on earth. Because in reality, if it was your last day, you wouldn't be wasting time, and you will literally squeeze the most out of what you can that one day. So I feel like every day in life should be like that. You should look at it like that. And yeah, that was just my little rant right there. Strongly urge you guys to just try it out. Act like it's the last time you were able to do it ever in your life. You'll really like cherish it more, you'll appreciate it more. Yeah, hopefully that didn't take up much of the video, but yeah, let's continue right into this POV drive. At 2:32. I definitely need an oil cooler for the car. That's next on the list. I just love this lighting so much when the sun is going down. And would you just look at that? That is so nice. So obsessed with it. That looks so freaking good. Right there. Damn. I have some demon eyes. And with the red setting, that just looks super aggressive. I put those on real quick so we can get a little bit of pictures of that with the sunset. A lot of you guys asked what camera I use to take my pictures on Instagram. And honestly, I just use my iPhone. We gotta get out of here. A few of those were insane. I just felt it throughout the whole car. Some guy like popped up out of nowhere at the top of the hill. Look, we're in the middle of nowhere. Some guy, when we're leaving, yelling at me. He's like, hey! Bro, I didn't even know there's people there. I didn't know there's houses over there. That was so random, but we're getting out of there. So we're finishing up the editing on today's video you guys just watched right now. I don't know, for some reason I feel like I didn't get that much driving clips, which I thought I did, but I guess apparently I didn't. I don't know, there's one thing that sucks about being on the base tune is I can't really push the car to like its full potential, because I just really want to show you guys like how quick it is, how fast it can go, just like all the sounds it makes with like the supercharger and stuff. But like I said, I just have to like keep it cool still because I'm still on the base tune and my car overheats like crazy. Like fuel pulls in, I'm already at like 230 degrees with oil temps, even though I did push it quite a bit in the video. But yeah, regardless, I hope you guys enjoy. I know you guys enjoy the POV videos because I see you guys recommending it in the comments and on Instagram. So maybe sometime soon we can make another one. Yeah, back on the topic with the whole oil temps. Today I actually ordered a Mishimoto oil cooler and a radium catch can, or dual catch cans I should say, from 86 Speed. So hopefully those parts come in soon. I'm not too sure how the companies are working, you know, if they're in stock, if they're, you know, shipping out right now. So hopefully those parts can come in sometime soon. I'm pretty confident they will, but with this whole COVID thing, you just literally never know. So we got the oil cooler coming in, the catch cans, and those are like literally the last two things that I needed with this whole supercharger build, just for, you know, extra safety, because like I said, my temps go absolutely crazy after just like a few pulls. Even like cruising around town, it gets to like 230. So yeah, that's definitely not good. And also one last thing before we end today's video, I've been going back and forth with Delicious Tuning and we're setting up a dyno date. So that is super exciting. I've always wanted to throw the car on the dyno, get some numbers in, get a sick video for you guys. So yeah, they're really busy right now, so it probably won't be until like a few months. That is super exciting. Some few parts that are coming in preparation for dyno day. So that is so awesome. I cannot wait to get this car to be like its full potential with Delicious Tuning. So yeah, that's a little update before we end today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave me a like on the video and comment down below what you guys think. I feel like I got so much to let you guys know, but I'll just save that for like future videos. You know, we got a new merch drop. I'm really debating on buying a project car sometime soon. I don't know, I just got like a lot going on right now, which I really want to just spill out for you guys, but I'll just save that for future videos. But yeah, anyways, I appreciate you guys for sticking it out and reaching this point in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this editing so we can get this video out for you guys. So yeah, with that being said, peace out, and I hope you all have a good one today.